If you currently realize that you're missing browser notifications in Asana, that could mean that it's not turned on. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to allow browser notifications on Asana. So all you have to do once you sign into your Asana account is click your profile on the upper right hand side or your account on the upper right hand side and simply click on profile. Now under your profile, click edit profile, then go to notifications. Here you'll find allow browser notification, and as you can see the browser notification is not turned on, so just simply go ahead and click on allow from here and you can choose the notifications that you want. So there are a ton of different notifications that you can choose. So if you want update on your work, you can turn this on. If you want communication, you can turn this on. Other updates and so forth, you can turn them on. And on top of that, you can just select the ones that you really want. So if you don't want everything, you can just check a few, as you can see, or uncheck a few if you don't want certain things. And that's how you do it, guys. Very easy and very simple.